Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Motivational Monday. If you guys are not familiar with Motivational Monday, one Monday out of every month, me and these wonderful ladies will be coming together to collaborate, you guys, and to give you some type of motivation, whether it be cleaning, motherhood, or life in general. So make sure you guys check out each one of the ladies' channels. Be sure to subscribe to support each and every one of us, and I hope that you get some type of motivation. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into today's vlog. Right now I'm actually on my way to go and do some laundry, you guys. My kids have that 24-hour bug where they're actually throwing up. So it's Bella, London, and Amina. She was the first one that was sick. You guys already know that she's in school, so she came home. She said my stomach hurt, you guys, and she wasn't really eating. So now she's feeling better, obviously, because she passed it on to her two siblings. So now I'm just trying to nurse them back to feeling better. Anyway, so yeah, I'm on my way to the laundromat, you guys, because you guys already know when you have a big family and you get behind on laundry, it's like, for me, it's best for me to take my laundry to the laundromat instead of me trying to get caught up on everything, because I have like so many loads. It's not even 4, it's not even 5, you guys. It's probably like 15 loads of laundry that I have to do. So yeah, like I said, it's best for me just to go ahead and take it to the laundromat and spend that money and just bite that bullet, okay? So yeah, that's what we're about to go do, you guys. I just wanted to update y'all. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, you guys. If you're not already subscribed, join the Red family. Don't forget to share, you guys, because don't forget, sharing is caring. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So this is what I'm currently using. I get them just a spoonful. Hey y'all, so I'm at the laundromat. See, we are here. So that's my washer, and I got 2 down there. But yeah, y'all, got everything, y'all. So many clothes, so much stuff. But washing laundry is a job, and we have so much stuff, y'all. Here you go, babe. Say hey, babe.
Hey, what's up, man?
It's baby. Yeah, I just wanted to come and show you guys that, let you guys know that I'm here washing clothes, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Y'all, we're using this dryer. $1. I'm finna put about $10 on it so it can get really, really hot, really, really dry. But this is one of the dryers.
Not even fit in.
Door's not going here. Put it right here. I put it on 56 minutes. I put it on 56 minutes.
Sure, that's about right.
Yeah. Yeah, so here is the next load of clothes. We just got clothes for days. I bet it is.
No, Melvin, we need a car.
Come on, just help it. You're so desperate.
You're desperate. At first I was, but now I'm like,
What you doing?
Here's my team, y'all. It's my team. Getting everything together. Yeah. So making a quick warm-up run. Just go. Oh, yeah. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, just to give you guys a rundown of who I am She's Pretty Red. I am a mom of 9. What I love to do on my channel is cleaning, cooking. I also love to do anything beauty, all things mom life. So if that's something that you love, please consider staying here on my channel. Please subscribe, and I promise that you won't be disappointed with all the content that you will see. Alright guys, so after leaving Walmart, we actually did go back to the laundromat to actually fold the clothes, but I'm not sure what happened to that clip. But after that, we came home and I actually cooked dinner for the family. I just made some baked cicada, macaroni cheese, and some garlic bread. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out each and every one of the ladies and support their channels as well. Make sure you guys subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.